Good morning, children. The topic for today is singular and plural nouns. In the last few assignments, children, we had taught you all what nouns are, isn't it? And I hope you all understood nouns properly. Now, today onwards, we'll start on with the topic singular and plural nouns. Okay, now children, what is a singular noun? What is a singular noun? Now singular means one, ekvachan. In Hindi, we call it ekvachan, isn't it? Okay, a word that indicates, that shows that there is only one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Okay children, ऐसा word या ऐसा noun, a noun which shows, जो दिखाता है that there is only one person है, एक ही person, एक ही व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या animal है, कोई जानवर है. That is a singular noun. Now example children, like we say one toy, a toy. A means one, isn't it? A toy. A pencil, a cow, a city, a school, a notebook, a bell, a chair, isn't it? So these are singular nouns, ekvachan nouns. Okay, now children, a noun can be either a singular or a plural, isn't it? Noun या तो एक वचन हो सकता है या बहुवचन हो सकता है. It can be one or many. Okay, so when we are talking about one person, animal, place or thing, we use a singular noun. On the screen, you can see a ship. There is only one ship. So that's a singular noun. There's one woman, a woman. Yes? So that's also a singular noun. An owl. Yes, that's an animal, isn't it? So an owl. That's also singular. A train. A flower. So all these are singular nouns, children. Now let's move on to the plural nouns, children. Now what is a plural noun? Plural, when we say plural, we mean many, bahuvachan, okay? A word that indicates that there are more than one person, place, animal or a thing. Yes, so a word that shows that there are more than one person, place, animal or a thing. Such are plural nouns. Okay. For example, we can say toys. So many toys, isn't it? Not one toy, toys. Pencils, many pencils. Cows, many cows. Cities, schools, etc. So when we are talking about the plural nouns, we talk about more than one person, animal, places or things. And in such situations, we have to use the plural nouns, children. In such places, we have to use the plural nouns. If we are talking about two or more people, animal, places or things, we use plural nouns, children. Okay, now we have to follow a few rules to change any noun from singular to plural. Okay, right now I'll just read out these examples for you all and then we'll move on to the rules, children. Okay, now one bat and many bats, one star and many stars, one fan and many fans, one mug and many mugs, one cat and many cats. Now I was talking about the rules, isn't it, children? The rules to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Okay, so there are many rules, children, but right now I'll tell you the first rule, children. Okay, now to change any noun from singular to plural, the first rule is that we add s to the nouns and it becomes a plural. Okay, for example, carrot. To make it plural, we just add s to it and it becomes carrots. Shoe. We add an s to it and it becomes shoes. Book. We add s to it and it becomes books. So on that screen, can you see one cow? Yes? Okay, one cow. And on the other side, you can see more than one cow or many cows. Okay? So cow, C-O-W, cow. If we have to make a plural of this, we add S to it. So it becomes C-O-W-S, cows. Okay? Now, a few more examples with the first rule, following the first rule, okay, adding s to make plurals, okay. Now, a shoe, one shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. To make it plural, we add an s there and it becomes shoes, S-H-O-E-S. A ball and many balls, okay. A car and many cars. A clock, and by adding s it becomes clocks. A spoon and many spoons. A cup and many cups, or plural cups. Now, that was the first rule, children, wherein we have to add an s to a noun to make it plural. Now, let's come to the second rule. Now, listen to this rule carefully, children. Okay, now, so in certain nouns, we add an es to make it a plural noun, children. Now, which are such nouns? Where do we add es? Okay, I'll tell you. Nouns which end with, जिसके लास्ट में ऐसे nouns जिसके लास्ट में s, z, ch, x, o, double s and sh आता है. ऐसे words, such words or such nouns which end with s, z, ch, x, o, double s and sh. We make it a plural noun by adding es to it. Okay. Now I'll give you examples for this, children. Like the first example is tomato. What is the last letter there, children? O, yes. And if you see the rule again, it says that were nouns ending with O. Okay. Now O, yes, it ends with O. So what do we add there to make it plural? We'll add es to it. So it becomes tomatoes, Tomatoes, and it becomes a plural. The next example, children, box, and it ends in x. Yes? So to make it plural, we just have to add es. So it becomes boxes. Potato, again it ends in o, and to make it plural, we add an es to it. Okay? Now if I say watch, W-A-T-C-H, isn't it? C-H. So to make it plural, we'll just have to add es to it. So it will become watches. So once more, I'll explain with one more example to you all. On the screen, can you see one tomato? Yes, and Tomato, right? And to make it plural, we have to add es to it, and it becomes tomatoes. Okay? So on the screen, can you see a dish? Yes. And the spelling is D-I-S-H. And what does the rule say? It says that words or nouns ending in SH, to make it plural, we have to add ES, isn't it? So one dish and many dishes. Now can you see a glass there? Yes. And what is the spelling of a glass? G-L-A-S-S. And what does it end in? Double S, right? So to make it plural, we have to add an ES there and it becomes glasses. Fox, a fox, one fox. And if we have to make a plural of fox, what will we add? Yes, we will add es to it. Why, children? Because it ends in x. And the rule says that any noun which ends in x, we have to add es to it to make it a plural. So, a fox and many foxes. A watch and many watches. Yes? Okay, children, now let's play a game. Okay? Now, you all have to change the singular nouns to the plural nouns. All right, now on the screen, children, can you see a word bench? Yes? Now let's read out the spelling of this noun. B-E-N-C-H. Now think, children, think of about the rule which I taught you. And just think it ends in CH. So what will be the plural of this? Yes, it will be benches. Benches. We added es there. Very good, children. Now the next word on the screen is river. 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 Now think what will be the plural of this noun? Yes, it is rivers. So we just added an S there, children. Rivers. What did we add? We added S there. It becomes rivers. All right, children. The next noun on the screen is house. 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 Now think what will be the plural of house? Yes, it will be houses. Houses. The next noun on your screen is bus. 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 Now think, children, it ends in S. So which rule will we apply there? Think and tell me the answer. Come on. Yes, it will be buses. So we added ES there, isn't it, children? Buses. Buses. Okay, now children, I hope you all understood both the rules, children, the S rule and the ES rule. Yes? Now it's time to do an exercise, children. Okay, now children, you have to do the following exercise. You have to underline the correct answers. Okay, now go through the rules again. Please do not take any help and try and solve these sentences, children. Okay, you just have to choose the correct answers. Okay, I ate the first one. Let's see the first one. Okay. I ate 5 potato or potatoes yesterday. I ate 5 potato or potatoes yesterday. Now, which will be the correct answer? Whether it will be potato or potatoes, whichever is the correct answer, just underline that, children. Okay. The second one, eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetable or vegetables. The third one, my mother bought 20 watermelon or watermelons this morning. Fruits like oranges and lemon or lemons have vitamins. The next one, an apple or apples a day keeps the doctor away. Read the sentence carefully, children, and then answer. Okay? All right, children. Now, I hope you all were able to do without the exercise without any help. I'm sure you all were able to. Okay. All right. Now, children, I'll give you the correct answers. Okay. I ate 5 potatoes yesterday. Yes, because 5. How many potatoes did you eat? 5. Yes. So that's a plural. We have to use a plural noun there, isn't it? So potatoes. Eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. So vegetables is the correct answer there. My mother bought 20 watermelons this morning. So watermelons is the correct answer there. The fourth one, fruits like oranges and lemons have vitamins. The fifth one, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So apple is the correct answer. Here we have not used the plural form of that because you can see an apple, and means singular. We are talking about only singular noun there. So an apple keeps the doctor away. Now children, I hope you all enjoyed this lesson and understood it properly. Thank you children.